Galaxy Note 7 explodes in the hands of a 6-year-old. The Galaxy Note 7's battery issue is pretty serious, and more devices seem to blow up every day. Samsung has recalled the handset worldwide, but that doesn't mean all owners have turned in the smartphone. In the past days alone, the Galaxy Note 7 has been responsible for setting on fire a house and a car and exploded in the hands of someone while he was using it. These are all Galaxy Note 7 incidents in the US, and a new report details a similar mishap. A Galaxy Note 7 exploded in the hands of a 6-year-old boy in Brooklyn, New York, as he was watching video on the handset. The child was watching videos on the phone when the battery exploded, Linda Lewis told the New York Post. "It set off alarms in my house." The boy's grandmother also says that he's too scared to go near any other device after suffering burns from the Galaxy Note 7's explosion. The family called 911 after the incident, and he was rushed to the downstate medical center. "He is home now," Lewis said. "He doesn't want to see or go near any phones. He's been crying to his mother." The Post learned the family has been in contact with Samsung about the incident but declined to detail the matter any further. The U.S. government via its Consumer Product Safety Commission asked Galaxy Note 7 owners on Friday to power them down and stop charging or using. Samsung then confirmed that it's working with the CPSC on the recall. Samsung was previously criticized for not going through the CPSC with the U.S. recall. Samsung on Saturday urged Galaxy Note 7 owners to turn off the devices and take them in for an exchange. The company is offering free replacements for faulty Galaxy Note 7 units, with Australia set to receive safe units next week.